Man, we back, y'all. Oh my god. Oh my god. What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. We are Everything's Regular, head to toe. You already know how it go, man. We on our way to the city. We got our 23-inch wraparound. We got it in the mail a couple of days ago, so we have to take that to Antonio first off. We got some more speakers. Remember that saddlebag speaker that was broke on the left side? We got a couple of new speakers for that, so we'll be putting that in today. We might go slide with the homies. One of the homies, he ended up, you guys remember that black Road Glide? He actually got rid of that, sold it to my other buddy. And then the one who got rid of the Road Glide, he actually got a truck and a boat now, man. So who knows? We might just be able to hop on a boat with him and go up from there, man. But you guys already know how we went up on the jet skis and all that. So now that's going to be ×2, man. We going up this weekend by the link of my dogs. If y'all haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. Go visit Everything's Regular to copy you some merch. We got shirts, we got masks, we got shorts, we got everything you want, man. And we got the vet back there. The gas just stopped, so I guess we full, man. I mean, it's time to roll, dog. What's up, guys? We are here at the alignment shop, about to get this Corvette properly aligned, because as you know, the steering wheel is slightly crooked, and then it just feels a little weird when I'm riding sometimes and I'm hopping over bumps. So I got to get this thing right before we can even do any other like real mods to this car. So we just gonna wait and get it done. Everything's regular on the shirt, man. Let's get it going. And I knew it was something with the back. He scooted it right back on there, so I'm guessing he feel what I feel. See, it's like when everybody else drive it, it look nice. I like it though. You felt it in the back. It feels like that side over there, right? Oh, on this side? Yeah. Yeah, I'm on the freeway. I'm like, what the f? So yeah, he felt it. What happened? It looked like we got our steering wheel straight. Got that steering wheel straight for you, boy. Damn, I literally just wiped the whole car off. That's crazy. Alrighty, guys, we finally made it to the bike, man. It's been like so many fires and stuff out here in California. You guys can just see the ash literally all over the bike. So guess we gotta give this thing a full-on detail today, because this thing is freaking filthy, like literally ash everywhere all over the bike, man. So we'll blow through the wind, try to get most of it knocked off, and get everything else knocked off when we get to the homie house, because we're actually going to throw our lowers on today, and then while we're over there, we're going to change that left side and speaker it out. So let's get this thing pulled out and hop on the road. Man, I just pulled up to the homie house and this dude got a freaking boat. I'm dying. This dude got rid of the Harley, well, one of his Harleys, copped a boat, copped a truck. That's what I'm talking about. All right, man, so we just pulled up to the homie house. He already got his wheels off. He done went and got a brand new tire and stuff for his daddy-o. Big wheels and all that. Got his thing up on a stand. About to throw the wheels on there. I'm about to clean mine up. We about to throw the leg warmers on mine. So you guys see no leg warmers. With leg warmers and speakers, it just looks that much fuller. So we have ours right here. The homie gonna help us out, putting them back on and stuff, and we'll get it to go, man. So hang with us for a second, we'll get it done. Alrighty, guys, so we got this first speaker switched out. This is the old one. You guys see it was like completely blown out. The homie over here is switching his brakes and stuff, about to get it done, get it together. I still gotta freaking clean this thing off. Like, you can literally see the ashes packed on here, but you know, we couldn't go anywhere without our ceramic coat spray. So we'll get this thing shined up here momentarily. And I was thinking I was gonna leave this other speaker in here that came with it, but since we got two new ones, I guess I'll just switch it over real quick. Man, y'all know my boy just pulled up. Y'all remember this bike? Big Road Glides and all that. Okay. Feel me? About to go up. Yes, sir. You know we have to come gas up. Dang, she looking good, dog. Oh, my rim should be done this Monday. I thought it was gonna be done yesterday, but it's all good. So it's gonna be done Monday, and then we got the wraparound that we dropping off to Antonio. Then we got the homie bike. Ooh-wee. Nigga, shit's wet, P. big wet. You see what's going on. We got the homie over here. Y'all see what's going on, man. Yes, sir. Going up. What's going on, man? See y'all niggas out here, niggas. Thugging and shit, yeah. Sir. Man, we just getting the location where our other homies at. I'm trying to get y'all some good content, man, so bear with me, man. If the footage is kind of shaky, don't mind it, man. I'm doing the best I could do, man. So, all for y'all, man. Stay tuned. Let's get this thing going, dog. Just pulled up with the homies. Linked up with a couple more of the homies. He just got his wheels put on. Big 23 on there. With the blue buttons on that daddy-o. Yes, sir. Other homie out here. See what's going on, man. We about to slide, dog. About to hit Malibu some. Y'all ready or what? Oh man, you know we gotta get the gas station stopped, dog. Line up is still cold. See, this thing is bugging me. Now I gotta get this installed. I got the OEM fairing literally just like this, clean as heck, no scratches or nothing. I just been waiting till my wheel come to install the bars, that fairing and the wheel all at the same time. That's why I really didn't just worry about it. But we out here, man. Me and the homies sliding and gliding. About to probably go through the canyon for a little bit, get a little bit of decent footage. So how y'all liking the ride so far, man? Let your boy know in the comments below. Alrighty guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. The vet is freaking filthy as heck. We had a little fun on the motorcycle yesterday. We dropped our wraparound rim. We dropped our wraparound fender off to Antonio. What else did we do? Dropped our wraparound fender off, and then our bike should be here, if not today, tomorrow. So when I see it, you guys will see it. So man, I appreciate you guys tuning in, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. And check out the website, everythingsregular.com, for your new merch, man. Let's get it in, man. I'll catch you guys on the next one, though. Peace.